What's going on, investors? My name is Dio. Welcome to Frontline Investments, where we talk about Bionano and Genomics stock every day from Sunday to Sunday. I post at least one video. So I want to share some couple of news with you guys in this video. But before I continue, I want to let you guys know that I am starting a 5 days holiday tomorrow, and there is a possibility that I'm going to reduce the rate at which I post video with you guys. Okay, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I am going to be offline. Normally, I should be offline, but I will try my best. Perhaps I will find little time in between and share some news with you guys. Okay, so let's continue with today's video. I want to share some breaking news with you guys, but before I continue, take a look at the market situation right now. This is what's happened today. Okay, this is 1 day performance of the stock market, and you guys can see that the biotechnology sector was more or less mixed today. I mean, we saw some red stocks and some green stocks, and in general the stock market was more or less mixed today. Semiconductor performed very well today, and communication services also performed very well today. But if you go to the cryptocurrency side, they are all red. I mean, some of them are even down more than 30%. Okay, we have Bitcoin right here down at the moment 7%. Ethereum is down like 19%. XRP is down like 26%. This is the situation of the cryptocurrency right now. So let's talk about Bionano Genomics, but before I continue, let me move this to the other side. Bionano Genomics today closed down like minus 3.78%, and you guys can see the market cap is 1.5 billion US dollars. I expect the market cap to be 2 billion US dollars. So in my opinion, we still have about 20% upside minimum, before we can see a real consolidation. Okay, so the volume today was 9.5 million, not bad. Okay, and the average volume is 26.6 million. Guys, I'm really sorry for my voice, but it's been a long day. I woke up very early today, go to work 8 hours and then come back, trade and make video for you guys. So this right here is the let me quickly adjust my camera. This right here is the technical analysis of Bionano Genomics. What happened today? We closed today, and one of the news I want to share with you guys is for the first time we are closing green on 4 days consequently. 4 days consequently we closed green. You guys can see 1 2 3 4. If you go back historically, you can't really find Bionano Genomics stock closing 4 days in green. Okay, I understand we open with a cap down, and more or less it is a negative. If you want to compare it to where we were yesterday, where we closed yesterday, we closed around 5.32 US dollars yesterday, and we opened with a cap down. But the good news is the candlesticks are green. Okay, 4 days green. If you go back a little bit, you can see historically the last time we closed on a 4 day consecutively green is on wow, I can't even find, I think it's here. In January we closed 4 days um green, and I can't find any other day. So January was the last time we closed. So that is the one of the news I want to share with you guys. Bionano Genomics stock, in my opinion, is still super bullish. Okay, in my opinion, you guys can see the breakout is still happening. So let's move over now. This is a tweet I made a few hours ago. I think 4 hours ago I made this tweet. 1.3 million US dollars worth of BNGO shares was bought today by somebody, by institutional investor, of course. And of course, I don't have information of who bought these shares, but I know somebody bought these shares today because I have some sources where I check all this what is happening with BNGO, of course. But I'm going to have more information for you guys once they start to file their 13F in the for the second quarter of 2021. So next quarter they will start to file their 13F. So stay tuned. I mean, every day I am tracking what is going on with BNGO, and today I realize I think I'm the only person that discovered this 1.3 million US dollars worth of BNGO shares that was bought today by a whale. So that's the first one. And if you go to the to Fintel, oh, you can see we don't have any filing today. So there is a possibility that all institutional investors are already on board. Okay, we can see we have now 134 institutional owners and shareholders that have filed their 13DG or 13F forms, for their holding in BNGO. So this is the state of the market right now. And for those of you guys that are asking me, Dio, what is Jane Street Group LLC? These guys right here, they are trading BNGO. They are possibly one of the reasons why BNGO is not moving or is going down. These are traders. You guys can see Citadel is also there. Citadel Advisor, they are there also with a call option. And so Square Hana International Group is also there with a call option. And you can see they also have put options. So these are traders, and the red indicates short sellers. So let's go to the form 8K. I haven't shared this news with you guys before. Bionano Genomics is debt free. Okay, they don't have any debt right now. You can see the form 8K that they filed on last 2 weeks or so. You guys can see that they don't have any money. You can see Bionano Genomics executed a payoff letter to repay in full amount due and owing and terminate all commitments and obligations under that uncertain loan and security agreements dated as of March 14, 2019, and as amended with East West Bank and Innovatus Life Sciences Lending Fund LP pursuant to blah 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 to pay off blah 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 17.1 million US dollars. Okay, they have paid off their debt. Okay, they are not owing anybody right now. Bionano Genomics has a lot of cash, and they don't owe any debt. So few minutes ago, Bionano Genomics made this tweet. They made this post. They released this news, and the title says Bionano Genomics to present at the 2021 Oppenheimer MedTech Tools and Diagnostic Summit. So Oppenheimer is already invested in Bionano Genomics. I think I already shared a video with you guys, showing you guys that Oppenheimer is in. Okay, you guys can go to my channel under the videos. You can find the news Oppenheimer. I'm just gonna search for it, and so this is it. Oppenheimer, they filed their 13F on the 10th of this month. You guys can see they are presently sitting on 47,000 shares of Bionano Genomics, and in my opinion, these guys are going to add to their position. Perhaps they already added to their position, because this 13F filing is from 31st of March 2021. It is from the first quarter. So right now we don't know what they are doing, but in my opinion, they are adding to their positions. Okay, you guys can see the position that they filed for is worth, let's say it was worth 380,000 US dollars. So this is where Bionano Genomics is going next. They are going to Oppenheimer MedTech Tool and Diagnostic Summit, and they are going to present. Okay, they are going to present on what they have been doing, the Sapphire device and so on and so forth. They will try to get as many institutional investors on board as possible. When I was making video telling you guys about all this event that Bionano Genomics was going to in the first quarter, I told you guys that all these Cohen events, Oppenheimer events, it will attract institutional investors. Okay, and you guys can see that I was right. Now we have 133 institutional investors on board. So this event is going to, of course, create another awareness. It's going to help Bionano Genomics to spread their news. And of course, I have registered. We have like 6 days, 14 hours till the event. You guys can see I have already registered for the event.
This presentation has not yet begun. Please consult the schedule and press the play button at the start time.
But unfortunately, on this it's going to be like 2 p.m. German time, and I'll still be at work on it's going to be on Wednesday, I believe, 20 in 6 days, 26. You guys can see 26. So it's going to be next week Wednesday, but unfortunately I won't be able to live stream this. So hopefully one of my colleagues that cover Bionano Genomics will be able to live stream this and share more with you guys. So now the last breaking news I have for you guys is Bionano Genomics just posted a new job offering. Okay, they have a new job position for lineaging, and the title is for Director Operations, Salt Lake City. You guys can see today they posted this news. This job position was shared today, and this is for lineaging director position. it means Lineaging is growing, because in the first quarter of 2021, Lineaging brought us about 840,000 US dollars. That is how much Bionano Genomics made from Lineaging. You guys know that we acquired Lineaging last year, and last year Lineaging has started to bring us revenue since last year. So this is a very good news for us, and we have to also pay attention to what is going on with Lineaging so that we can know what is going on with our investment in Bionano Genomics. So position summary: this position is responsible for directing teams of individuals in the operations department, composed to the accessioning and verification team, patient service coordinators, certified medical coders, and billing/claims team. The director will be responsible for leading, mentoring, and coaching team members. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first person to receive the notification. I remain your boy Dio, guys. This is Frontline Investment. Now I can go to bed finally. Bye bye.